Good morning everyone and welcome to our Assamese class. So how are you? You're fine? Everyone fine? Okay. So what we will do today, we will learn that Assamese number from 31 to 50. Okay, we will learn Assamese number from 31 to 50. Okay children? So please take out your Assamese copy, pencil, rubber with you. Okay, and before starting that 31 to 50, let us recall and rate what we have learned in the last class, and also the what learning outcomes, what you will learn from this class. Okay, from today's class, what you will learn. Let us see and start our class. Okay, look at the board. Hongkhya numbers 31 to 50. Assamese numbers from 31 to 50. Learning outcomes. Satro Satri Hokole Ohomia Hongkhyabur 31 পৰা 50 লৈ শিকিব. So Satro Satri Hokole আজি কি শিকিব পাৰিব? অসমীয়া সংখ্যাবোৰ সংখ্যাবোৰ 31 পৰা 50 লৈকে শিকিব পাৰিব, আমি শিকিম. Okay? So, and before starting the 31 to 50, let us recall what we have learned in the last class. Okay? So, we have learned from 1 to 30. Yes or no? From 1 to 30 we have learned. Let us read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 মানে কিমান? 20. Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So till 30 we have learned in the last class, isn't it? So ekor pora 30 loike ami hikisilu jwa classot. Jwa kali ami hikilu ekor pora 30 loike. Aji ami notun hongkhyabur hikim 31 pora 50 loike. 31 mane kiman? 31. 31 mane 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, once again. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 মানে 50. Okay? 50 মানে 50. So 31, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 40, 40. Okay, again, this is what? 31. 31 in Assamese, what we say? 31, tini ek, 31, tini dui 32, tini tini 33, tini sari 34, tini pas 35, tini soy 36, tini hat 30, tini at 38, tini no 39, sari hoino 40. 4 শূন্য 40. Next 41 মানে 41 41 মানে কি 41 42 42 42 42 43 43 43 43 44 46 46 45 45 45 46 46 46 46 46 47 48 48 48 49 49 50 50. Okay, so children, please write down from 31 to 50 in your copy as classwork. Okay, as classwork you need to write down from 31 to 50, and from 1 to 30 we have done in the last class. Yesterday we have completed. From 21 to 30, 21 to 30 we have wrote 2 times. We have written 2 times. Yes or no? Now what we will do? We will read from 31 to 50 and we will write how many times? 2 times. Okay? We will write again 2 times in our copy. Let us read again, and please, while you're reading, you write. Tumaloke jetia mati jaba tetia likhiu jaba, copy khonot likhiu jaba. Etu class work hoy aru homework moi nidiu. So please write down in your copy. Okay? Tini ek ek tris, tini ek ek tris, tini dui botris, tini dui botris, tini tini tetris, tini tini tetris, tini sari songtris, tini sari songtris, tini pas poitris, tini pas poitris, tini soy soitris, tini soy soitris, tini hat hatris, tini hat hatris, tini at atris, tini no unosollis, sari hunno sollis. Next we have 41 to 50. Sari ek eksollis, sari dui bialis, sari tini tialis, sari sari sosolis, sari pas ponsolis, sari soy sialis, sari hat hatsolis, sari at atsolis, sari no unoponsas, pas huino ponsas, pas huino ponsas. Okay? Again, actris, botris, tetris, soutris, poitris, soitris, hatris, atris, unosollis, sollis. Exolis, bialis, tialis, sosolis, ponsolis, sialis, hatsolis, atsolis, unoponsas, ponsas. So children, what we have learned today from 31 to 50, and we have learned yesterday from 1 to 30. 1 to 30 we have learned yesterday, and today we have completed till what number? Till 50. So what we need to do now? We need to write from 1 to 50. 1 to 50 we have already learned. So we need to do practice. We need to write in our copy, but not now. Okay, you do classwork, not homework. Okay, so please do practice in your copy. Okay, so thank you everyone, and have a nice day.